I don't change my mind, and if I take the time, I'll waste a teenage dream as far as I can see, and memories fade at the thought of love. So right the wrongs until it's done. I feel this emptiness, a substitute for bliss. The thought of loneliness is better than this. I guess what I've learned is you reap what you sow. Taking the time to learn and grow. If I don't change my mind, or feel it's hard to find, I'll settle for something new and leave this all behind. And now I've escaped the jail of your heart. Don't let those eyes take me back again. I'll be with you through the dusk till it's dawn, until I know your heart's been warm.